This is the back of a Chevy Express, and these are the slick locks. I installed this on the back doors and another one like this on the side doors. The big improvement is that you don't have those big metal plates going here like for the old kind of locks where you had to drill 6 holes in the doors to connect the plates. The brackets now are kind of hidden and they're connected to the side of the door. This spinny thing, you know, it spins either way you want, and you have a hole in it and you have to align that so you can put your key in and open the door. Okay, this is how you do it, and you take this out, and that's how the brackets look. Right, let's open the door, take a look inside. The bracket comes pre-drilled from the manufacturer, and it uses the same holes that these bolts go through, so you have to take the bolts out. This is a Torx T40. I used T40 and it worked nice. So you take this out, put the bracket in, and then put this back in. You can see that spacer there, metal spacer. I had another one of those, and when I did all this installation, I took one of those out because now the thickness of the bracket basically takes the same space as the thickness of one of those. So I figured I want this thing to be in the same position as it was before. If I left that in place and just add another 16 of an inch, the thickness of this or whatever that is, then this thing would be a little bit more this way. So yeah, it's in the same spot. So let's see the other side. Okay, here you just have to take these 2 bolts out. That one, see, the bracket is cut around this, so you don't have to take that one out, and you slide the bracket under you pull this rubber thing, you pull it out and you slide the bracket under. And what I've done is tighten these bolts to about hand tight, and then maybe use the Torx. By the way, this is a T30 Torx T30. I used it to kind of tighten them a little bit more, but they were still loose enough where I could slide this up and down, in and out, and I kept closing the doors because I wanted the holes to be aligned. Like this hole has to be aligned with that perfectly, because otherwise this thing here may kind of catch into the edge of the holes if they are not perfectly aligned. See, these 2 holes. So yeah, that's about it. I've installed the same thing. So one of these I've installed it for the side doors on the outside over there. There's writing here, I don't know if you can see it, but for instance this one says rear right. Okay, rear right, so it goes on the rear door on the right side. That should say rear left, and the other ones say side right and side left. Maybe I'll have to trim some of this too because it's sticking out too much. I don't want it to catch in the other bracket and break away. Maybe I'll trim it. The other one I've done it, but this one not yet. So yeah, I hope this helps you. Good luck with your project, and see you next time.